Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Inn Maumee, Perrysburg area. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Comfort Inn West is located off the Ohio Turnpike and Interstate 475, just 6 miles from downtown Toledo. This hotel is close to several points of interest, including the Toledo Zoo, the University of Toledo, Bowling Green State University, the University of Toledo Health Science Campus and Put-in-Bay Island. Toledo SeaGate Convention Center is just 6 miles and the Toledo Express Airport is only 7 miles away. Cedar Point Amusement Park is 1 hour from the hotel. Splash Bay Indoor Water Park is only 1/4 mile away. Water park hours are subject to change. Contact the hotel directly for details. Water park packages are available. The hotel is near several shops and restaurants including Red Lobster Seafood Restaurant, Bob Evans, Cracker Barrel Old Country Store Restaurant, Outback Steakhouse, Applebee's Neighborhood Grill and Bar and the Olive Garden Italian Restaurant. Hotel amenities and features include free wired and wireless high-speed internet access, free weekday newspaper, indoor pool and free passes to Urban Fitness, located 1/2 mile away. Your morning breakfast is full of hot and delicious options, making breakfast at the Comfort Inn West the perfect way to start your day. Enjoy our free hot breakfast featuring eggs, meat, yogurt, fresh fruit, cereal and more, including your choice of hot waffle flavors. Business travelers will appreciate access to a fax machine. The hotel's guest rooms feature irons, ironing boards and hair dryers. Rooms with microwaves and refrigerators are available. Valet cleaning service is also offered for guest convenience. This is a pet-friendly hotel. A nightly fee is required. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.